Practical tips to clear job interviews in IT/software company. This is from howtogetsoftwarejob.com. Visit the site for more videos. Instructions. To give an interview in IT Stream, your basics of your subjects should be strong. Be ready with all, as their queries will be based on their preference. Together with the knowledge of your stream, you should also be aware of the related topics. Acquaintance with programming tools such as C, C++, basics of Java, and data structures is must today. If you are a pupil of CSE or IT, then their queries will be based on SQL, PL/SQL, software lifecycle, and similar topics. Together with the subject familiarity, this assess your personality traits, such as communication skills, leadership skills, teamwork ability, and other skills. They will assess your reasoning and logical skills as well. They will inquire few awkward questions. However, don't get humiliated. In case you are not aware of answer, then tell them that you are not aware is fine for 1 or 2 queries. More than 2 implies then should not think about that job. No matter what the query would be, give resolution with self-confidence, and your answer should have an appropriate basis behind, and do clarify the basis if necessary. Ensure to check out the company web pages earlier to interview, and be aware of the company functions. You need to have a detailed knowledge of the stream and be supposed to put across that. In case you are in the stress, don't reveal it at the time interviewer is attempting to put you in. Ensure that you have all the essential certificates that support your education with you. Attempt to be at the interview venue minimum 15 minutes earlier to the time schedule. You also need to be careful in filling the details in the acquaintance form, counting your strong and weak points. This is from howtogetsoftwarejob.com. Visit the site for more videos. You need to have a good CV. Good here implies the CV that tells about your abilities, your proficiency, and your potency clearly in the IT field. It's never a good idea to have one CV for all dissimilar types of job descriptions. With just few minor alterations, getting a call may be easier. For instance, you can draw attention to the expertise that you have for the applied job, such any software or familiarity in other allied software designs. You can put in the basic acquaintance of any latest technologies that you have in the IT industry as well. This could be a plus point. Have passion for your stream. This is fine recommendation for any stream. However, in IT stream, it's particularly a fact. In case you are not eagerly concerned in growth and enhancing your expertise, a potential company is going to assess. Earlier to appear in the interview, assess the job description in detail. Be aware of the necessity in the IT corporation as, however it is funded entirely on programming, automation testing, manual testing, coding, etc. Assess if your job description experience go with what is projected. The interviewer will largely adhere to queries about the specified job description and from what you have described in your CV. Ensure you can give resolutions to the queries confidently, which are from your CV. It relies on how the conversation happens among the applicant and the interviewer, which results in argument in other fields. This is from howtogetsoftwarejob.com. Visit the site for more videos. Please do not submit an application in case you are aware that you do not have sufficient qualification for that necessity. Many times, it is feasible that you may get an offer letter from a corporation in which you were not qualified to submit, but you did, for the reason that of the negligence of the CVs of the employers. Nonetheless, you will be sacked at the time of orientation, background check. At the time of interview, be ready to use the whiteboard for coding. In case you are not able to hear to a question, inquire a few main queries and hit out a few codes on the fly. Put effort on your expertise till you can. A fine software development interview cycle will have you perform this a number of times. Don't be fearful to inquire queries to make clear. At times the necessities are even unclear to observe even if you try. If you fall short of answering one basic query, prospect of your rejection would be more. It was the case with me a number of times where I was not able to answer a very basic query but gave solution to rest more 20 out of 30 queries. If possible, request someone to do your career counseling who can assist you if you have no idea about what you have say in an interview. They could be your university senior, relative, friend. Make sure your answers are to the point and less of the instances. All around the globe, people who speak to the point are loved by all. Casual conversation may lead to unforeseen queries from interviewers. Be acquainted with what motivates you and converse that. As told in Instruction 2, potential employers desire to observe a passion for the stream. They desire to observe a passion for particular expertise to know what motivates you. In case you complete your background study and aware of what the company operations are, and you show a passion for their market section, which is a plus point. Obviously, be yourself. In case you're not involved in their operation, don't appear in their interview. Do your finest and don't be bothered about the outcomes. Remember that there are more than 1,000 IT corporations, and in case you are discarded in an interview, the doors are still open. You will have 999 choices left for you. This is from howtogetsoftwarejob.com. Visit the site for more videos. Thank you for watching.